Welcome to the world of Papa Vince, and I can't any longer keep this seafood secret from you. Your body might be missing out in crucial omega-3 because you may be missing these two important ingredients. One that protects omega-3 during cooking, and another one that supercharges absorption. Do you want to know why Italian families around the coast have such an amazing health? These families knew instinctively that they needed two crucial ingredients. One super antioxidant for protection, and two vitamin B for absorption. This ancient Mediterranean wisdom, or this Mediterranean ancient wisdom, have been preserved for centuries, and it will change the way you cook forever. Let's start. 1. The role of omega-3 in your diet. I'm sure you heard of omega-3 before. These fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, are essential for your body. DHA supports brain cell structure, while EPA helps manage inflammation. Omega-3 are found commonly on seafood. However, omega-3 can be easily oxidized, and it starts breaking down before the body gets a chance to absorb it. And because of this, it's very important, I would say imperative, to pair seafood with ingredients like antioxidants that will provide protection to the omega-3 during cooking. Hydroxytyrosol, the protective antioxidant. Let me tell you something fascinating that science discovered about hydroxytyrosol, which is one of the most powerful antioxidants found in extra virgin olive oil. While studying pan frying of seafood with extra virgin olive oil, they discovered that hydroxytyrosol migrated from the olive oil into the seafood, creating a shield around the delicate omega-3, protecting it in the most important time during cooking. Think about it. Every time you are frying your fish with extra virgin olive oil, this amazing antioxidant is migrating into your fish and then acting like a bodyguard, protecting the precious omega-3. I mean, that explains why Italian families around the coast enjoy such an amazing health. Well, they didn't know anything about hydroxytyrosol, but they knew that when they cook with extra virgin, when they fry with extra virgin olive oil, not only it tasted better, they felt better. And here it is what is more remarkable. The hydroxytyrosol doesn't just remain in the surface of the fish, it actually penetrates the fish, ensuring that the omega-3 remains stable and functional and ready to support your brain health and your heart health. I mean, this is an amazing example how science is finally explaining traditional wisdom. When we talk about Papa Vince extra virgin olive oil, it's important to notice that Papa Vince has 3 times more hydroxytyrosol than other extra virgin olive oils. And the reason is because it's made with Nocellara del Belice. Nocellara del Belice is an olive variety that grows in Sicily, and it has been known has more hydroxytyrosol than other varieties. While it's important for us to avoid making any health claims, universities in Spain that have studied hydroxytyrosol, they have found that hydroxytyrosol actually plays an important role in protecting nutrients and overall wellness. They also measure the antioxidant capacity of hydroxytyrosol, and they found that it outperforms many other antioxidants. Okay, now let's go to the secret ingredient. Remember, I told you there were two ingredients: the antioxidants, that is hydroxytyrosol, which you can get through extra virgin olive oil. And the second ingredient that was really important was vitamin B. Let's talk about it. Let me tell you something fascinating about vitamin B. Scientists have discovered that vitamin B plays a crucial role to help omega-3 reach your brain. This is how it works. Vitamin B creates something called, you can read it on the screen, that acts like a transport system. Think of it like a VIP pass that allows the omega-3 to cross the blood-brain barrier. Basically, is their ticket to reach the brain. Our ancient grain pastas are loaded with naturally occurring vitamin B. Yes, unlike the commercial pastas that are actually enriched, Papa Vince pasta is non-enriched at all. And because it's a stone ground, is loaded with vitamin B in their natural form. Let's think about it. So when you actually cook your fish with extra virgin olive oil, which acts as a protection to omega-3, and then you pair it with our pasta, which is loaded of vitamin B, you are creating an amazing nutritional synergy. What I'm trying to say is that these nutrients are amazingly working together. One to protect, the other one to transport, allowing your body to get the most out of the food. This might explain why the Mediterranean diet actually includes seafood, pasta, and extra virgin olive oil. Intuitively, the Mediterranean civilization understood the synergy of these ingredients. Actually, let me read this to you. One study, the Framingham Offspring study, found that people with the highest levels of DHA in their blood had a 49% lower risk of developing dementia over 7 years, translating to 4.7 extra years without dementia. Also, people with higher DHA have a healthier brain volume, whereas those with low levels show more buildup of amyloids, which is the sticky protein associated with Alzheimer's. So, getting the most out of omega-3 with natural occurring vitamin B is now your fingertip with Papa Vince pastas. It's important to know that all this promising data comes actually from observation that shows that there is a link between omega-3 and brain health. But it's important to notice that it has not been proven that one causes the other. It's like noticing that ice cream sales and shark attacks increase during the summer, but you cannot really say that one caused the other. Therefore, while there is evidence that vitamin B actually helps omega-3 with health brain, there is no way proof that there is a direct cause between the two. Papa Vince pastas are the only pastas right now in the market that are made from stone ground grains. And this is very important because we grind at a slow pace, and we also grind at a room temperature, which allows us to keep the full spectrum of heat-sensitive vitamins, including vitamin B. Our ancient grains are nutritional powerhouse. Yes, they have higher level of vitamins, specifically vitamin B. They have more higher levels, I should say, than modern wheat. Now, these ancient grains, they're very resilient. They have been tested by time, and they grow in the terrain of Sicily without any fertilizers, without any pesticides, without any fungicides, not even irrigation. This is how resilient these ancient grains are. This combination of stone grinding with ancient grains result in a pasta that have high levels of vitamin D. Let me read to you what it has. It has 20% vitamin B1, 15% vitamin C, B6, 20% vitamin B12, 40% vitamin B5, 40% vitamin B9. It is an amazing vitamin B powerhouse. What really sets Papa Vince apart is that through stone grounding, we get to keep the original food matrix intact. We get to preserve the original kernel, the original fiber, and the original wheat germ, and we get to preserve all the vitamins in their original form and the original percentages. It really sets this pasta apart, and this is what really makes me so excited about it, is the fact that it keeps the original food matrix. Yes, through stone grounding, what we're doing is we're able to keep the original kernel, the original endosperm, and the original wheat germ, and we get to keep all the original vitamins in their original form, in the original percentages. And what this means to your body is that it's going to be able to digest it slowly. The result is a truly low glycemic pasta that keeps you satiated, that keeps you satisfied, that keeps you with a lot of energy. When you consume Papa Vince pasta, you're actually consuming a pasta that is created the way nature intended. You know, it has the original food matrix in its original form, and you actually get to enjoy a product that will really help you reach your health goals. So now, let's bring it all together. When you combine Papa Vince extra virgin olive oil with Papa Vince ancient grain pasta and your favorite seafood dish, something remarkable happens. The hydroxytyrosols, which are in Papa Vince extra virgin olive oil, work to protect the omega-3 that is in your seafood, and then the vitamin Bs that are found in Papa Vince pasta help your body take the most advantage of that omega-3. So ready to maximize these benefits? Simply cook your favorite seafood with Papa Vince extra virgin olive oil and then pair with Papa Vince pasta. And the best part of this is that not only is surprisingly healthy for you, but is amazingly delightful and delicious. At Papa Vince, we're very proud of all the products we bring. Whether it is the extra virgin olive oil, which is loaded with naturally occurring hydroxytyrosol, or our ancient grain pastas, which are naturally loaded with vitamins, specifically vitamin B, our goal is to provide you with food that are nutritionally dense, because we really believe that the path to a healthy life is a healthy diet. We are also completely transparent about the quality of our food, and we showcase the lab tests for both the extra virgin olive oil and the pasta. If you like this video and you found this content valuable, why don't you leave me a thumbs up? Why not? Subscribe to this video and let us know. Write us a comment. We love to hear from our customers. Bye.